Hey everyone, Marguerite here. My 2021 Collage Weekly Planner is here, and I will turn on my overhead camera and share it with you shortly. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about how I came up with this idea and why was I making a planner? It seems like such a strange thing, right? So what happened was that a lot of people really loved the weekly collage art assignments. And I think that's awesome. I love that people really like the routine of doing them. I love that people are just enthusiastic about doing them and sharing them on Instagram or in the Collage Art Collective. It's just great. But what I wanted to do for the next year was to come up with all 52 of the assignments so that people could get to them whenever they wanted to. And I had the idea also of creating a glue book where those assignments could go. And so that's where I came up with a weekly planner where I had printed all the assignments, and then also there was a place to put them. So let me show you what it looks like. So here it is. Here is the weekly planner. So inside, the format looks like this. You've got a week at a glance, and then here is the assignment, weekly assignment. And on the left side is a place where you can do your collage. All these pages are slightly different. So it's kind of fun to have a whole bunch of different kinds of pages to collage on. And some of the other cool features about the planner is that I used a heavier paper. That's the first thing. I wanted it to be kind of durable, not really a thin paper. So I chose a heavier paper for, as your substrate for creating your collages. I also had the spiral increased in size so that as your glue book gets larger, the spiral can accommodate, for that width. There is this handy dandy little ruler that you can take out. You can move it around and use it as a bookmark, or you can use it to, tear paper. This is what I use mine for, instead of using scissors. So it's just a neat thing to have. And then at the back is a double-sided pocket. And in here you can put things, just your leftover scraps, or if you're traveling, or you need a place to put papers in, you can stick some in here. I've also included a couple pages of paper scraps to tear out and use, so you can just tear these out and use them in your collages if you'd like. Okay, so that is everything. The price is $22.50, and that does not include shipping, because of course it depends where you are in the country and where you are in the world for shipping costs. There is a digital version of this as well. It is going to cost $10, and it's for those who told me that it's just too difficult to get things shipped to the other side of the world, and they would just rather have something digital that they can print out at home. So that it's the same concept, just in digital form. So that's it. It is for sale on my Etsy shop and also on my website. If you go to my website, margueritemiller.com, and then up on the menu, there is a shop button, and that's where it's located. Thanks for looking. Bye.